to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it.
You will see me turning from this to this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys how to achieve this big wavy voluminized Hollywood curls. It's very easy using very minimal products. I don't like the idea of applying a lot of products on my hair. Well, let's get started. I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray in one section. Divide this in two and start from the bottom piece. So today I'm going to use this hot curling iron, which is from Iconic, and it's a 25mm barrel. So let's get started. I'm going to take the barrel something like this and curl my hair away from my face, not towards my face, but away from my face. Don't curl them all the way to the end to make sure the ends are not curled. I'm gonna leave this for like 20 seconds. Beautiful curl. Normally when I curl my hair, or most people when they curl their hair, it's the other way around. So if you start the first piece away from your face, then you're supposed to do the other piece towards your face and then keep changing alternately. That creates more volume, and sometimes if you do it in the same direction, they can all mix up. Doing it alternately creates more volume, but because we are doing Hollywood curl, we want all the curls to flow in the same direction. I am going to do it away from my face. If I would have started the first piece towards my face, then I would have followed the same things. So do the same on the other side. Spray it a little bit and then comb right away. Make sure they are all mixed up. Let them cool down. Don't touch them or comb them or anything like that, because we want them to really cool down and stay in shape. We don't want to comb that curl for now. So move on to a different section of hair. Put this at the back and bring the ones that need curls at the front. Now that I'm curling my hair, I am not leaving too much gap, so this will give me more tight curls. There are so many different techniques to curl your hair using the same products. Just to make sure, once you start using one technique, make sure you follow all throughout the process to make sure you achieve the same kind of curls and you don't mess up. To be honest, I am really struggling to curl my hair because I don't have any mirror at the front. It's just the viewfinder that I'm looking at. So I really hope I do well. Looks good, isn't it? Just have a little bit of hair left at the top. This is when you need to decide if you want to part your hair in the middle or on one side. So today I am going to part my hair in the middle. So this is what I have left from this side. So I'm gonna divide it in half and I'm going to curl this. So because I have parted my hair, I know which way to curl this piece of hair. Parting your hair makes it easier to know which way the curl is going. So this is why it is important. So doing the same with the last piece from this side. I'm going to curl it really tight. Hold it for 20 seconds. Now can you see this front two pieces of hair doesn't look the same, even though I've curled both of them away from my face. This curl starts from here and the other one is more like coming towards my face. So because I like this one, I'm gonna try to curl this one the same way. If sometimes you don't like the curl, don't be afraid to try it again. especially when it's at the front, because that's what decides the whole hairstyle. And I got it. Now at least they both look the same, like they both are going away from my face in the same direction. I am going to use the volume spray again. Just going to spray a little bit everywhere. Somewhere here, at the back, underneath, and then in the middle. The same on the other side. Now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna start from the back because I'm sure they are all dried out and they are all cold, but this one, some of the hairs are still warm because I just curled them and I want them to cool down, and then I'm gonna comb. So I'm gonna start from the back, so hold the hair at the top and comb. Just give it the brush. Coming to the front, do the same thing. Hold the hair, maybe something like this, and brush. Hold the hair, brush. So now, can you tell the difference? This one is like all curled up, not really clean, and some are very thick pieces, some are very thin, while on the other side this one is more subtle and more wavy curls, while they are following the same waves, the same direction. Some small techniques can bring such a big difference. Now you can tell, so I'm gonna do the same with the other side of my hair. So that was all about my big voluminized Hollywood curls. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any tips or suggestions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.